I absolutely love this time of year since so many of our favorite fruits and veggies are at their peak. And if you've walked through the produce aisle lately, or if you have a garden of your own, you've probably noticed that this year's crop of green beans has been super plentiful and are at some really good prices. So to take advantage of this bounty, let me show you a crispy, crunchy way to serve them up. We start by mixing together some panko breadcrumbs with a good amount of Parmesan cheese and a handful of spices. Now, after trimming up our green beans, we dip them in a couple of beaten eggs and then into our coating. We shake off any of the excess breading and place them on a baking sheet before spritzing them with cooking spray. After they bake for about 15 minutes and the coating gets golden, they're done. They sort of taste somewhere between really good French fries and the sweetest green beans you've ever eaten. To get our simple yet truly amazing recipe for what we call crispy green bean fries, all you have to do is go online and it'll be waiting for you. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a crispy crunchy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.